Hey guys, do you want to win something absolutely free for your motorcycle? We're doing a giveaway. That's right, guys. We're giving away these amazing chrome and black highway pegs.
Yeah, and these things are nice.
That's right, you guys. The fine folks at Benlari have sponsored this video and prize with fresh upgrades for your Harley.
Or any other bike you want to throw them on.
So if you want to win, then ask yourself the following questions. Hey there.
Hey there.
Do you have a cool looking motorcycle?
Yep.
Do you like to customize your cool looking motorcycle?
As a matter of fact, I do.
Do you have crash bars on your bike?
Why, yes.
Do you know how to accurately measure the crash bars on your bike?
Define accurately.
Full disclosure, somebody who should remain nameless mismeasured, and that's why we're doing this giveaway.
You know what they say, measure once, annoy your sponsor twice.
This video is sponsored by Benlari. No matter what kind of touring or cruiser you ride, highway pegs are important.
Yeah, that's right. Now, I was never thrilled with the ones we have on our Road King.
So we were super stoked when the folks at Benlari asked if we would put some of their new highway pegs on our Harley. But here's the thing, these things are machined for a 1 1/4 inch crash bar or a 1-inch bar with spacers, where ours is 1.5 inch.
Yeah, but you know, in my defense, measuring is hard.
But our loss is your gain. Let's show you what comes in the box.
Well, look what came, Renee.
Well, what's in the magic box?
The magic box. I'll bust out the Klingon knife.
The infamous
Infamous
Klingon knife.
And I know what's in here.
Stick with us while we unbox. We'll give you the entry rules in just a minute.
Oh boy, nice packaging. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. New pegs.
Score.
That's right, folks.
These look
Benlari
awesome.
pegs. These look wonderful.
Wow. These are nice. Look at that polish. These things are polished like mirror. And they weigh. They feel substantial.
So they feel solid.
Yeah, these things feel like quality.
So again, please remember, these are for 1 1/4 inch or 1 inch with spacers. They've included them as well. Let's talk about the rules and how it is to enter. Now, we have a full set of rules that we're going to be putting in the comments. Feel free to refer to them. Please know that YouTube itself is not affiliated with our giveaway at all. It's super simple to enter. We're going to have a link in the description, in the comments, so you know where to go to enter. Essentially, I want to remind everybody that the contest is open to participants 18 years of age or older at the time of entry, legal residents of the continental United States. The giveaway begins on the day this video was posted and ends on August 11, 2025 at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. Entries that come in after the deadline will not be considered. We will be selecting randomly from the eligible entries, and you can follow instructions that are in the comments below and at our landing page that offer you opportunities for bonus entries. And we will be announcing the winner in multiple places, so don't worry about that. We will announce a winner here on YouTube, and also they will be contacted by email. Also in the comments and description, you'll find more information and a full write-up about the prize. They're super easy, adjustable, simple to install. We think you'll be very happy with these Benlari highway pegs. And to make everyone a winner, Benlari has provided exclusive discount codes for our viewers. So if you want to go check them out at their website, you can use MARR10 off as an exclusive discount code at benlari.com, and you can also check out their Amazon. So you know what, we'll put all of that stuff in the comments, and it'll be real easy for you to find and follow the information. And speaking of following, I know Benlari would love it if you could give them a follow here on YouTube. And also, we'd love it if you gave us a follow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Good luck, everyone.